me, are you coming down? Cause I know soon I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how I made these yellow butterfly cute ass Frenchy nails, so just keep watching. I use these Apres long square nails. This polish by Raya, it's in 112, and Do a Split by Tracy Nailz. These butterfly stickers from iGel Beauty. I'll have everything in the description in case I went too fast. So here I am using the Raya polish in 112. It's the really pretty base, and I did 3 layers. That's usually how much I do to get like a nice coverage to where you can't see the natural nail underneath the press-on. There's the nails after 1 layer. Here's the nails after 2 layers. I'm gonna go ahead and do 1 more. So it's time for the French tip. So to do them, I do use this really thin striper brush. And for the polish, I'm going to be using Tracy Nailz in the shade Do a Split. Alright, so for French tip, I'm going to have, like I said before, I'm actually going to have the video next week, maybe on Monday or Wednesday. But I basically make it like I'm doing a V-cut. So I bring, how do I explain it? I drag it from the sides of the nail to the center of the nail as much as I can. And I'm doing this nail in real time so you can see how long I take and how I try to perfect it as much as possible. And then once I get to a point where I like the size, I just take the brush, dip it in the gel, get a good little amount, and then I just flick my wrist and make the smile line. I really don't know how to explain it from there, but yeah, when you have all that extra gel polish on the brush, it makes it a lot more flexible, so where you can do like curves and stuff like that. Now I am going to show you why I don't use the brush like this. I never do this. I don't know why I did it for the thumb, but I actually mess up right here. I don't show where I messed up, but you'll see the damage. And I did go in and fix it, but I just don't like this way. See how it's kind of like messed up on the left side? The brush hit it and messed up my smile line. So now I'm just gonna go back in and I just kind of drag my brush, making the smile line. Make sure to curve it, and boom, fixed, like it never happened. So yeah, that's why I don't use the actual brush from the gel polish. I stick to my cute little thin striper brush because I do feel like I have more control with that. Once I'm happy with the smile line, I just take my brush and work on the sides. I feel when the sides are longer, like they go down more, it makes the French tip look better. And sorry I wasn't in focus. I was super like, what's the word? I was super into the nail. And I'm actually filming this from the side. Like, so the nail is facing me right now. So that's why I tend to bring the nail up in the corner, because I'm pulling it towards me. I'm getting better though. And that is the thumb. She came out so cute, huh? So now the rest I'm gonna kind of like speed through, not too fast, but you guys can see the process again, and hopefully it starts to make more sense. So this nail, I believe I ended up not redoing it, but I brought the smile line down more because it's sitting pretty high. So after I fill it in, you'll see me go back in and bring it down a little bit more. Now time for the fun part, putting on butterflies. I used stickers from iGel Beauty. Is it called iGel Beauty? iGel? I prefer stickers over water decals because with water decals, if they're in the water too long, the ink will run and it'll mess up the whole design. So these stickers work perfect. Yeah, and they were super easy to put on. And now I'm just finishing up with top coat, glossy top coat. I'm using, I believe, Valentino. I don't remember what I used, but Valentino is definitely one of my favorite top coats. Also, I don't know if I'm too quiet. It's currently 1:54, about to be 2 in the morning, and people are sleeping, so I'm trying to be quiet but also loud. And that is the finished set. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe right now. Pause the video and go subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, and I will see you guys next week on Monday.
Me, are you coming down? Cause I know soon I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down, I'll be coming down.